This old guy DIY video has to do with changing the fuel filter in a 2006 John Deere X320. So a friend has this mower and she told me it didn't feel like it had as much power as it used to. So I was looking at the various things. This one has a 22 horse Kawasaki engine, so it has enough output certainly. And the fuel filter on this particular mower goes right there. That's the new filter that I just put into it. You can see it's a pretty high capacity filter. Here's the filter that I've pulled out. So the filter element on the new one is certainly bigger. And when I took this one out and looked at it, you can see we have some bugs and some grass and assorted other stuff that had apparently gotten through the filter over the years. So I just started this thing up and it started great. The next time she uses it, we'll find out if in fact I helped her with this issue. It's a nice mower, lots of power, just didn't seem to be taking the hill quite like it had not so long ago. I wanted to see a little more on the inside of this filter, so I'm just taking this channel locks and I grab a section of that seam where it was welded together with heat, and I'm just twisting that off so I can break this filter into two pieces. Now I have the filter broken open. Just pull it apart and see what we have in the filter media. When I pulled it apart, this is what I found. This was the bottom of the filter, the way it was oriented. That was closest to the ground, so gravity was not our friend. It took whatever contaminants were in the tank and hung it up right there. It looks like some kind of bug. Have some various pine needles maybe. But anyway, this is what the old one looks like. And she just got this mower a couple months ago, and the thing is from 2006. When she first got it, I changed out the oil filter and the air filter and the oil, but I didn't do anything with the fuel filter. So we'll see if it affects her performance. Have a great day.